Hawakan mo ang aking kamay at tayong daway maghahasik ng kaligayahan. Bitawan mong unang salita, ako ay handa ng tumapak sa lupa. Tapos na ang paghihintay, nandito ka na't oras ay naiinip. Magdahan-dahan, sinasamsam bawat gunita, na para bang tayo'y di natatanda. Ligayang na'y nasa huli, sambit na ng iyong mga labi. Parang isang panaginip ang muling mapagbigyan. Tayo'y muling magkasama.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back, she said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me. 1, 2, 3, go! We were victims of the night, the chemical, physical, kryptonite. Help us to the base and the fading light. Oh, we were bound to get together, bound to get together. She took my arm, I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me. A backless dress and some beat up sneaks, my discotheque, Juliet, teenage dream. I felt it in my chest as she looked at me. I knew we were bound to be together, bound to be together. She took my arm, I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me. Oh, come on, girl. Deep in her eyes, I think I see the future. I realize this is my last chance. She took my arm, I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance.
Lagi nang umaawit. Pag-ibig na naman ang usap-usapan sa paligid ko. Ngunit kung nais mong malaman, di naman ako reklamo. Balik mo, naisip kita lagi-lagi. Pag-ibig nga naman, ika'y di naman atas pagpala. Kala mo'y di kailangan, ngunit ngayon'y di na kayang mag-isa. At tuwing wala sa'yo ang piling, telepono ko ay puno ng usapang mahalaga sa atin. Di pa magandang umaga, kumain ka na ba? Pag narito ka na'y hindi maalis sa'yo ang aking tingin. Oh baby, 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 halika, tara na. Saan mo ba gustong pumunta? Luzon, Visayas ba? O Mindanao kaya? Walang problemang iisipin pa kung ikaw naman ang laging...
Di man araw-araw na nakangiti, at ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mapilang ang ating mga tampuhan, away bati natin di na malayan. Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo.
Nanalamit ka.
Hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako.
Mami, dito ka muna. Meron ka.
Palagi
Okay, mga kapatid.
kung balikan man ang hirap luhat lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon. At pag napaligiran ng ingay at ang gulo,
Mami, turo niyo yung
di
masungit.
ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Eto tayo sa huli palagi, babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating
Yes, sige na, sige na. Okay, kanina exit si Johnny sa Suwami. Ngayon, exit si Fry. Dalawa lang sila naman.
kong dalangin hanggang sa huling siglo. Sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli palagi. Nahulog sa iyong mga mata, tila ba'y di na makawala. Nais ko lang ay magtanong
Maaari bang humingi ng pagkakataon na mahawakan ang iyong mga kamay, at sa awitin na to ay sasabay? Ikaw lang ang pipiliin, o wala nang iba. Ikaw ang panalangin na makasama sa pagtanda, at lagi kong uulitin, ipapalala sa'yo. Ikaw ang panalangin, ikaw ang panalangin.
Waki! Okay, ate Kikay dito. Pogi ba, Pogi? Pogi ba? Kikay dito.
Pangakong ika'y
Okay, hug.
aalagaan,
Look here, smile.
ibibigay lahat, pati ang buwan. At sa ilalim nitong mga bituin ay aaminin na ang tunay na pagtingin, at hawakan ang iyong mga kamay, at sa awitin na to tayo sa bilyong nakasilong. Ikaw ang aking nakasalubong. Ating awit ay iginuhit ng langit at araw-araw napapatanong
tupad aking pulong kung bakit sa tulad ko'y napalapit. Paano nangyari sa akin na patingin sa libo-libong mga bituin? Di ko mawari ikaw para sa'kin. Dalangin kita. Kung kalawakan man ang pagitan, tadhana lamang ay ating sundan. Dahan-dahan sa tuloy ating tagpuan. Paano nangyari sa akin na patingin sa libo-libong mga bituin? Di ko mawari ikaw para sa'kin. Dalangin kita. Di na ka lang darating. Di ka na kunwari akin. Paano nangyari sa akin na patingin sa libo-libong mga bituin? Di ko mawari ikaw para sa'kin. Dalangin kita. Dalangin kita. Tayo ay babalik sa simula. Ito na ating unang pahina, ang hakbang sa pagiging isa na panghabang buhay.
Huwag mangamba, ang pag-ibig ating punla. May kapal ang siyang mayakda sa ating paglalakbay.
man
Kung dumating man ang
dala ng ulan, lagi mong pakatandaan, yakap ko'y silungan. Sa 8 bilyong nakasilong, ikaw ang aking nakasalubong. Ating awit ay ginuhit ng langit, at araw-araw napapatanong, paanong natupad aking pulong, kung bakit sa tulad ko'y napalapit. Paano nangyari sa akin na patingin sa libo-libong mga bituin? Di ko mawari, ikaw para sa'kin. Dalangin kita. Kung kalawakan man ang pagitan, tadhana lamang ay ating sundan. Dahan-dahan sa tuloy ating tagpuan. Paano nangyari sa akin na patingin sa libo-libong mga bituin? Di ko mawari, ikaw para sa'kin. Dalangin kita. Di inakalang darating, di ka na ko.
In the name of the Father, Holy Spirit, isuwag ang singsing at kalitan ng singsing at kalamang. Kami unang singsing ng iyong asawa.
Sa libo-libong mga bituin, di ko mawari
Pagiging ang maanak ng
para sa'kin.
There is me. Kasayang may lahat. And fidelity. In the name of the Father. Ang isuwag ng singsing. At ang pagiging ng singsing. Ang singsing ko ay
dito.
Ngunit kung nais mong malaman, di naman ako nagre-reklamo. At ang katotohanan ay di ko mapigilang mapangiti na lang minuto. Nakakabaliw na pag-ibig, sigurado nang hindi papayag aking pusong mapalayo sa'yo. Oh baby, 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 halika, tara na. Saan mo ba gustong pumunta? Sa mundo ko, dagat ba? Sa mga ulap kaya? Walang problemang iisipin pa kung ikaw naman ang lagi.
At this point, we're now about to be joined by our newlyweds. But then again, we'd love to introduce to you guys everyone else who helped out the couple during the ceremony today. And they have been separated into two groups, of course, the ladies and gentlemen. So ladies and gentlemen, ito na nga po at makikilala na natin the members of the entourage, beginning of course with the females. So mga kaibigan, without much ado, how about we all welcome with a warm round of applause the Team Bride.
Cause I'm in the tonight. So sweet and free.
And again, we've got Team Bride joining us for the celebration. Isang masigabong palakpakan corner.
Kick out, kick the drum, running on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm rocking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea, I go get my ping pong.
Alrighty, there we go. Once again, the female members of the entourage. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the Team Bride. This time, we meet the guys naman. So mga kaibigan, without much ado, we now welcome the Team Groom. Let's go, gentlemen. And again, we got the male members of the entourage this time. Tatlo nga ba? Tatlo! Unang hula, tama! Congratulations! There we go, ang galing. Hula lang yun. Good job! Ang galing naman. Alright, so our bride and groom plans to have 3 kids. 5 years nga ba? 5 years is... Correct! Alright, let's give a prize over Mary Joyce. Joyce 2019, alright. So naging mag-jowa sila 2019, no? Di ba? Alright, we move to question number... Anyone? Would anyone like to try and guess? Dito. Sir Romney, saan po nagkakilala ang ating bagong kasal?
Maybe sa Region 1 Medical Center, sir, sa trabaho.
Sa R1MC daw ba sa trabaho? And that is... Correct! It is! R1MC, gonna get a prize for this right here. So our couple met at R1MC. Alright! So down to our last question. Before we get to our traditions tonight, we would like to pay tribute to the amazing parents of our bride and our groom. And first up on the list, of course, is our groom about to share us. And again, a special moment being shared. It's just like our groom, our bride will also be sharing a special dance, kapiling naman, the very first gentleman in her heart, her father, Sir Nelson Dulay. Ladies and gentlemen, palapakan po natin sila.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know.
An emotion.
So you can keep.
There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Muli palapakan naman po natin si Nelson and we're love to you right of course. Mga kaibigan, palapakan po natin ating bagong kasal.
Ito lang ating unang pahinga, ang hakbang sa nabangha.
May bulaklak. Zero, sir, doon. Yan. Isama mo yung mukha niya.
Ang pag-ibig ating wala, may kapal ang siyang mayak na sa ating paglalakbay.
that beautiful sight we have at the center. Wishes of love for the couple tonight. And again, your wishes of love and success for the bride and groom is now open. Of course, the floor is now open. So if you guys would love to join them in this part of our tradition, please feel free to do so. We've got some envelopes from our coordinators. We also have clips right over there. And our money string right in front of them where you can hang. This is the perfect chance to do so. We've got a money string right in front of them where you can hang all of those wishes of success for the bride and the groom tonight. We've got a lot of people showing their support for the couple. And again, we appreciate everybody for joining us in this part of our tradition. Thank you very much to all of you guys. Still at the couple's prosperity dance, once more symbolizing a blissful future for the newlyweds. Here we go. After which, of course, we move forward to our cake rituals, which we'll get to in a little bit. In the meantime, just a few more shots in for our traditional prosperity dance of the bride and the groom. So Phil, can we get one shot for the couple? There you go. Before, of course, you move forward to the next and again. Yeah, come on people, what up this time?
ikaw din misteryoso. Di pa rin mabasa ang iyong tunay na motibo.